Guys, 70 million views.
Everyone, did you know our No Pain No Gain campaign has reached over 60 million views? And it's not just one viral video. We are seeing crazy engagement and high views across multiple contents. So what's the secret? If you've seen various videos, you've probably seen people fanning their face while applying the cream with a painful expression. Don't worry, there is a reason for that. This is because the cream contains microspicules. Spicules are natural tiny micro needles that create pathways into your skin where they go deeper, and that way they actually work. You might feel a slightly tingly effect at first, but don't worry, it's not harsh or damaging. Here's where it actually gets interesting. While spicules open the channels into your pores, PDRN steps in right away and kickstarts the skin repair process, helping you recover faster and regenerate from within. That's why you see real results. And yes, it's clinically proven to improve your skin volume, elasticity, and barrier strength. And if you're looking for something more powerful, the Spicule Retinol PDRN cream is the one you need. With 200,000 spicules, it works deeper into your skin, and thanks to low irritation nano retinol, it gives you strong results with less irritation. The Spicule PDRN Retinol Cream helps improve pores, skin texture, and improves wrinkles all at the same time. Just remember, since it contains retinol, we recommend only using it at night. The response has been incredible and it's selling out fast. Don't wait and miss out. Try it yourself and you'll see why everyone's loving it.